What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Ethernity ERN, which has pumped up quite a bit. As you guys can clearly see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing. It has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $2.46. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much. Is it going to keep pumping up to about $3-4 over the coming days, or is it going to crash back down in value? And mainly focusing on buyers and sellers point of view, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell the crypto before it crashes back down in value, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also, as usual, covering its prediction over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from ERN? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ethernity, which is here in purple at $2. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $2.47, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that the crypto is slightly overvalued due to the difference in value between the purple and the red value here. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours here. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case, even though right now it is still pumping. As you guys can see, it's gone up to 250 now. So what I'm expecting, yes, over the next couple of hours it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting $2.65, $2.70, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value below $2.20 by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. It should be trading at a much lower, well, not much lower, but closer to the SMA indicator, which is around $2.10, is where I'm expecting ERN to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So essentially, do expect an overall drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, once again we've still got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and once again this is not realistic, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm once again expecting Ethernity to have dropped back down below $2, essentially trading around $1.90 is where I would expect the crypto to be trading at towards the end of the week. However, don't expect it to keep hitting red candles over the next 7 to 8 days. It is likely to hit the odd red green day in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but once again, the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side. So do expect Ethernity chain to be dropping down in value over the coming days, so do expect more red days from the crypto. Zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So one line is realistic and one line isn't, but from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Ethernity chain over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting this crypto to be heading over $4 is what I'm expecting. The reason for that is, yes, the crypto market is going through a little dip right now, but over the coming weeks, I'm expecting it to recover, slowly recover, and potentially pump back up in value, which of course involves Ern Ethernity as well. So I'm expecting it to head over $4 towards the end of Q1 and beginning of Q2. So around March, April time, I'm expecting ERN to be heading over the $4 mark, depending of course on how the crypto market performs, as the market has been quite volatile recently. I'm expecting it to start recovering over the coming weeks and potentially pump back up in value. So yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are getting closer to the resistance target here, which is $2.75. I'm not expecting it to hit the resistance target as of yet. Even if it does, it is likely to drop back down into the red zone. So essentially what I am expecting is for the crypto to drop back down in value over the coming week or two, and then slowly start to gain value up to the resistance target here by mid to late February, resist at this point, and then potentially break out into the green zone towards the beginning of March, mid-March, and heading over to the $4 mark by end of March and April. But if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or anything that can have an impact on the value of ERN or the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So zooming into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,800% in the last 24 hours, making it $24 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, guys. Reason for that is it is one of the top gainers according to Binance. It is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so of course it is going to get a lot of traction around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why the trading volume is going up, and in return it is also helping the value of ERN pump up as well. So yeah, so far so good for the crypto, and over the short term I'm expecting it to go for a price correction before it pumps back up in value. So for those of you guys who are looking to invest into it, make sure your risk management is on point, as I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.